On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe you'll go nuts for. Peanut Satay Ramen. Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung. If you really like ramen, then you'll definitely want to check out my vegan ramen cookbook in the link above or a link in the description box below. This peanut ramen is so easy to make, you'll be able to make it today. 2 pieces garlic, finely chopped. 1 small piece ginger, finely chopped. Medium stock pot, medium high heat, olive oil, ginger and garlic, boil a pot of water for the noodles, a handful of shimeji mushrooms, crumble 1 cup worth of extra firm tofu. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Two tablespoons peanut butter. Two cups vegetable stock. Stir and deglaze the pan. Cook your noodles to package instructions. If using handmade noodles from my previous episode, they will cook in exactly 7 minutes. Loosen the noodles with chopsticks occasionally. When the broth comes to a boil, simmer on medium for 5 minutes. Bowl. 1 tablespoon cane sugar, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, whisk. Pour the broth into the serving bowl. When the noodles are cooked, strain out the water. Noodles. Crush 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Green onion, cilantro. This is the most amazing chili oil I made in the previous episode. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. You can now make this incredible ramen with absolute confidence. This is seriously too easy. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.